Suck with the nose. What word is there in English for sucking with your nose? There are people who do not sneeze, but instead have a bad habit of sucking with their nose snot in again. However, the English dictionary definition for sucking refers to the mouth.
The word you're looking for is sniffle.
Not to steal your thunder, Joseph_Morris, but while the act is a sniffle as a verb, it would be to sniff or snort. Edit to expound slightly more. I found this page for UK English slang, but it has a pretty expansive breakdown of snuffling.
Or try the word snuffle, to snuff especially audibly and repeatedly. This URL.
Oxford Dictionaries gives us the meaning of sniff, draw up air audibly through the nose to detect a smell, to stop it running, or to express contempt. There is also a verb sniffle meaning, sniff slightly or repeatedly, typically because of a cold or fit of crying.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.